using KitchenAid 7-cup food processor blade accessories. Assemble your food processor and select your desired blade accessory. To use the multi-purpose blade, place the blade accessory onto the power shaft. Add your ingredients. Then attach and close the lid, making sure the lid hinge is in the locked position. The multi-purpose blade is best used on low speed or with the pulse function. Using the reversible slicing shredding disc, place the disc onto the power shaft with the raised blade of your desired output facing up. The reversible slicing shredding disc can be used on both low and high speeds. When finished, press the off button and allow the blade to come to a complete stop. Prep with precision every day with the 7-cup food processor. From KitchenAid.